Here are scriptures to help you build your self-love. 1 John 4:16. And we have known and believed the love that God hath to us. God is love, and he that dwelleth in love dwelleth in God, and God in him. 1 John 4:18. There is no fear in love, but perfect love casteth out fear, because fear hath torment. He that feareth is not made perfect in love. Ephesians 3:19. That Christ may dwell in your hearts by faith, that ye being rooted and grounded in love. 1 Thessalonians 5:8. But let us who are of the day be sober, putting on the breastplate of faith and love, and for an helmet the hope of salvation. 1 John 2:15. Love not the world, neither the things that are in the world. If any man love the world, the love of the Father is not in him. Ask God for help to build your self-love in him. Holy Spirit will lead and guide you into all truths about how to build your love in God. John 14:15. If ye love me, keep my commandments. Matthew 22:37. Jesus said unto him, Thou shalt love the Lord thy God with all thy heart, and with all thy soul, and with all thy mind. Psalms 91:14. Because he hath set his love upon me, therefore will I deliver him. I will set him on high, because he hath known my name. Ephesians 3:17. That Christ may dwell in your hearts by faith, that ye being rooted and grounded in love. John 14:23. Jesus answered and said unto him, If a man love me, he will keep my words, and my Father will love him, and we will come unto him and make our abode with him. Trust God in every area of your life. Your love in God will continue to build and grow. You are a reflection of God's love. For more information and the full list of scriptures, visit our blog at browngirllemonadestand.org.